Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the seal of the Elemental Island in Fish It Game of Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay, as you can see here guys, that the new island has been added to the map, but its pathways are sealed. So we're going to do some quests to unlock the seal. First, you're going to go to the Elemental Island and go to this fire pathway or the fire cave, and then we need to offer the magma quill pufferfish to open up the door. You're going to offer the magma quill pufferfish, and you can catch this fish by fishing on this area. Once you offer the fish, you're going to rotate the ancient crystal and you'll unlock the ice pathway. Okay, go to this door, and here you need to over the tight grass dolphin. Again, you're going to fish here to get this dolphin, guys. This is legendary fish, and then you're going to rotate the ancient crystal until you can open the door for the storm pathway. Okay, I'm gonna rotate them, and you need to make the light. You can open this door, the storm pathway door, and you're going to enter this room. And here you need to over the thunderstorm jelly. Again, you need to do fishing, and after you over the thunderstorm jelly, you're going to rotate the ancient crystal and you'll unlock this area. Hold on, get this area, guys, and you can fish in this area to get secret. And yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the sealed Elemental Island in Fish It Game of Roblox latest update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!